Hey, what's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here. And today I wanted to just make a quick special offer for you guys that are, here, subscribers of my channel, that follow me, that follow my content. And, we've been talking about solo ads and we've been talking about my traffic, and a number of you guys have gone ahead and actually made some purchases in terms of my solo ad traffic. And we've gotten some really great results, a lot of sales, tons and tons of leads for a lot of people, and people are happy, right? But what I want to do today, guys, is I want to give you a special offer on my traffic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description for this page here. So basically this is a ebook here that talks about how to get consistent buyer traffic to your website. And I talk about some of the 4 best traffic methods that you can actually use to get consistent buyer traffic. And I go through the top 4, and one of them actually being email marketing, solo ads. We've been talking about this. And so what I've done is I've added a special one-time offer for you guys, and what this actually will do is it will give you 50% off of my starter traffic package for you guys. As you can see, my tester package, just for 100 clicks, I do charge 68 cents per click. And there's various reasons why. You're getting top tier traffic, you're getting list segmentation, you're getting a funnel, a review. There's some other things that you'll see that I offer when you check out this page that you're not going to get from other vendors. And so what you're going to see here is this is a 50% discount, just so that you can test the traffic, right? You can test the traffic out and you can see for yourself that the traffic is quality and that you can get some results with it. So what you're going to do next is basically you're going to go beneath this video, click on the link, opt in here, grab this report, read the report, and then go ahead and take advantage of this 50% discount. I don't know how long I'm going to have this up, but go ahead and take this offer up so that you can actually get 100 clicks. You can test out the traffic for $34. This is a great price for the type of traffic that you're going to be getting. And let me show you what I have, right? So the point of this is not to make a lot of money for myself, but to really show you that I can deliver on some great traffic results. And I want to show you guys that so that you can become a repeat customer, right? So it would be to my advantage for me to deliver the best traffic that I possibly can deliver to you, because I want you to come back and buy more, right? So go ahead and check it out. Hit the link below. Grab your 50% off discount, and I look forward to sending you some great traffic. This is John from johnmcneil.com. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Shoot me an email, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.